Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be the second episode of Girls and Their Power Tools. So today we're going to go ahead and review the Black & Decker 4.5 amp Jigsaw. So this was actually my first power tool, if I'm being honest, but I was so excited about the miter saw that I reviewed that one first. But anyway, this is the scroll cut that I was told to purchase for my project. It's 12 TPI and it's supposed to cut a much cleaner way and more accurately for fine cuts. And as you guys know, this was originally purchased so that I can work on my shiplap. And here is a piece of my shiplap now. Anyway, if you guys love these type of videos, please make sure to show me some love, give me that thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please make sure you join the fam by hitting that subscribe button. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and discuss it just a little bit. So while I go ahead and unbox it, I like to read to you guys what their website claims. So this model number is B as in boy, D as in David, E as in Eric, J as in Jason, S as in Sam, 300C. So it says that it's compact and lightweight. This electrical jigsaw tool has the power that you need to complete a variety of cuts. It features a 4.5 amp motor, variable speeds, a tilting base plate for bevel cuts up to 45 degrees. As always with any power tool, I always recommend that you read the owner's manual so that you make sure to use this appropriately. We're going to go ahead and basically put it together. And by putting it together, really all you're doing is inserting the actual blade. And once you do that, it literally is ready to go. So just make sure you take your time and read how to go ahead and insert it, and make sure it clamps, because if it doesn't, it's just going to fall off and it's going to cause a mess. You also always want to make sure you have protective eye gear just in case any piece of whatever you're working on flies up. But I absolutely love my little Black & Decker. I think that tools are usually not made with women in mind, if I'm being honest. I'm showing you the different size of the blades here. The one that it comes with is the bigger one, and then the smaller ones are the ones that I purchased. Sorry, so I was saying tools are usually not made for women, and one thing that I can tell you just by recent purchases is that a lot of the power tools are extremely heavy and difficult for me to use. And this guy is so lightweight and it cuts amazing. It's just a small little tool that has the power to do some pretty awesome cuts. I have used this several times. I use it to make cuts around the outlets for my shiplap. I used it for my floorboards. I used the miter saw for the floorboards, but the jigsaw was used for the floorboards in order to cut the excessive amounts off, not the actual beveled cuts. And then I also went ahead and used it recently for my backsplash, if you guys just saw that video, and that was for the same reason, going around the outlets. So this tool is amazing and I would highly recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and list all of its pros now, but before we do that, let's take a look at our first cut.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home. And it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris.
That was done with such ease, and it is pretty darn, straight. It's not perfect. This is why I wanted to do the close-up, but it is pretty freaking amazing. And honestly, had I had a proper work desk at this point, which I do now, but I didn't then it probably would not have been that big of an issue. But I do really love this product and highly recommend it. I'm going to go ahead now and list all of the pros, and I only have one con, which really tells you up front that I really do think that it's a wonderful investment.
Never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you.
All right, guys, so the next few pictures are basically things that you can create using a jigsaw. A jigsaw is truly a wonderful tool, and if you're a DIYer, let me tell you, this is something you have to get. It is such a wonderful, inexpensive, and amazing way to create your own woodwork, your own art. There are so many beautiful things that you can create, and it's something that I couldn't suggest enough. I am so excited and looking forward to many more projects to come. And don't forget that if you love these type of videos and you want to see those projects that I have in mind, to give me that thumbs up, make sure you share my video with anyone that you think might like it. And as always, you guys, I want to thank you so much for all of your love and support. It truly means the absolute world to me. I thank you very much, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye, guys.
My mind, I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.